Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another Peter Lennox video. Today we're doing a very quick feature of this latest edition 2016 GLE250d, the diesel edition, W166. This is a beautiful SUV, large to medium size, 110,000 kilometers on the clock, 4-cylinder diesel, very powerful and yet very economical. 53,990 drive away, finished in beautiful polar white paint, as you can see, and it does have the AMG Styling package, AMG Interior Exterior package, AMG 21-inch wheels, so it really is a bit of a show pony. As you can see, there's the chrome package, the AMG bumpers, and AMG floor mats throughout. Service history and 2 keys come with this one, as you can see, in very good condition overall. These look stunning in white. Let's have a look at the back. GLE250d, very nice. Does have the tilt and slide sunroof, as you can see, and with the AMG package you get those nice bonnet vents right there, the updated LED intelligent headlights. This is a 2016 model. Smartphone integration package, driving package, heated front sports seats, Airmatic suspension. So as you can see, overall very good condition on both sides. Let's have a look inside. There we go. Now the GLE is based on, I guess you could say, the E-Class, so it is quite a spacious and roomy SUV. It's the second largest from Mercedes, obviously, and as you can see, there is plenty of space in the back here. The seats are the AMG sports seats, or the Mercedes sports styling seats, so very nice, and overall just a very nice car. And with the Android Auto integration, it is very modern with all the safety features you could want. Now this beautiful car is now available at our Thomastown dealership here in Victoria. Give us a call, come and see it in the new year. It won't last long. Very nice. Thank you for watching.